Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Or I should say this is the Epic Dragon Cat and welcome back to another video. I've been kind of forgetting to do that recently. I know I said it was going to be my new intro thing, but it's been kind of hard to do that. I think I'm probably going to stick to doing that like on newer videos. Like keep the returning videos like welcome back to Sandy Bay or welcome back to Durango. It'll be a normal intro, but for welcome to a new series, we'll do that. Even though I forgot to do it on Microsoft Flight Simulator and Train Sim World 2. Actually, I think I remembered. Did I remember on Train Sim World 2? I don't know. Anyway, that's not what this video's about. This video's about 40 subs. So yeah, thank you for 40 subs. I really appreciate it. And because of that, I have gone out of my way to find all the cute pictures of my animals. And not just Koree and Addy. We have Bailey. I think I have like 2 videos on her. One called The Grumpy Old Cat, and another one, like the Christmas one. Christmas Catastrophe. But yeah, she was our first original cat, and we had her with a dog, another dog, and his name was Pacey. And when Pacey passed, we ended up getting Bentley, and then we just had cats for a very long time until we eventually got Koree and Addy. We got Koree first, and had her for a year, and then got Addy and had Addy for a year. So yeah, you'll see some pictures with Bailey without Bentley. You'll see some pictures with Bailey and Bentley, and then you'll see some pictures of Koree without Addy, and then Koree and Addy. So yeah, but we're gonna do in that order: Bailey, Bentley, Koree, and Addy. And also, in some pictures with Bentley, you have a picture of younger me. So I guess we can add that to the video as well. Anyway, I'm just currently downloading all my photos real quick. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and edit this video up. And I hope you enjoy... Oh, a screensaver. And I hope you enjoy what I've put together. So here we go. 40 sub special. Puppy and Kitten edition, I guess. I don't know. I haven't thought of a title yet. But I think it'll probably go along the line of Puppy Kitten edition special video. Yay! Okay, enjoy. Oh yeah, and also if there's any talking points, I'll kind of hop back in and talk about them. Because yeah, there's some interesting stuff that, when it happened, I never really filmed it, because it was like the beginning of the channel. When I restarted the channel again, there was that point where I strictly focused on just the games. And then eventually I got into vlogs. And if this stuff were to happen now, I would have totally been all over it, like, oh my gosh. But no, it happened kind of in that in-between zone. But you'll see. Addy's had some pretty crazy backstories and stuff like that. Okay. If you're wondering where the photos are in a different house, it's because they are. We've moved twice since owning Bailey. Okay, so this next clip It's really interesting. It only lasts for a couple frames, but you can see that Bentley is laying on this suitcase. He doesn't want to get off this suitcase. He really likes laying on the suitcase. So I put a rag on his back to see if he would get off after putting the rag on his back, and no, he stayed on the suitcase even with the rag on his back. What a crazy cat, and that is the picture that you guys see every day. So I hope you enjoyed those pictures of Bailey and Bentley. Unfortunately, there weren't as many pictures of Bailey as we have Bentley. I actually forgot to post some pictures of grown-up Bailey. I see them right here, like on my Google Photos. So yeah, I'll be sure to post some of those after I'm done talking here. Alright, I'll show them while I'm talking. Why not? Bailey picture, Bailey picture, Bailey picture. There you go. But yeah, up next is Koree and Addy, and a couple things to mention actually about Bailey and Bentley. We both got them as rescues. We didn't get them like at a pet store or anything, but we rescued them both. But yeah, Bailey, she might have had a nickname from the rescue place. I might have gave her a nickname, but we don't have a nickname. We don't know their mom, their dad, so we don't know anything about them. But yeah, Bentley had a name from the rescue, and his name was Mickey, like Mickey Mouse. So I thought that would be kind of funny. I thought you guys would like to know about that. But anyway, here we go with Koree and Addy photos. Exciting. Okay, so this is my second time recording this mid-segment. I thought I would clarify. Addy, in her past, had an eye injury. Now, it does look really bad. She's okay now, though. She did have to have eye drops for, like, a really long time, and, she didn't have to have any surgery or nothing, but, yeah. Bentley, our cat, got her in the eye, when we got home, like, we were ready for spring break, and then all of a sudden, Addy runs under the bed with Bentley there, and Bentley gets her in the eye, so, yeah. I don't know if the pictures are actually okay to show on YouTube, especially the pictures with her eye. I think it'd be okay to show the pictures with her, like, with her cone on. I don't think that'll be a problem. But with pictures with the eye, I think that might be a little too graphic for YouTube. So, if you guys want to see pictures of her injury, I would suggest going to my Facebook page. I'll post some pictures of that right after this video. Because, yeah, I'm just afraid it's going to be too graphic for YouTube. I don't want to get a guideline strike. I know it's just a dog injury, but still, I'm kind of nervous about sharing it. So, yeah, if you guys want to see the actual, like, eye, like, blackened and kind of not looking good, then you can check my Facebook page that I'll post right after this. But, yeah. Okay, so there we go. There's all the videos of all my pets. I have some couple extra videos to show at the end here that I guess I could have fit them in. That they have to do with Bentley. It's something that I was gonna make a video out of it, but then I ended up scrapping the idea because, I mean, I try to make more videos of Bentley, but he doesn't really do anything interesting like the dogs. So yeah, I'm gonna show some of those clips at the end. Some clips of that at the end. I think that'll be exciting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane as much as I did. Well, I guess it's not really... It's new memories for you guys. Well, yeah, new memories for you of old memories. It's kind of weird. It was a trip down memory lane for me. I don't know how much it is for you, because you guys never seen these pictures before. So is it really memory lane? I don't know. That's kind of weird. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe for new videos. Have a great day, great rest of your day, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. For the r/farming simulator video coming out Sunday, and another week of fun gaming. We have Durango, Microsoft, Sandy Bay, Frame World 2, and SnowRunner. And then we're back to the weekend. Exciting. Okay. Bye.